Friday. They're on Friday. Angana Nairobi nkara mangane Senate na kiango, but kerana nyo the message goro we spoke no mwaka James. And David, you feel like you can come? I said, tigangi chumuchoni yo manyete. You go accept my sincere apologies. Kurwesi inde personally. Kamane family yetu kurmante. Number 2, nae wa yento kekeigo. Kurwe somo bungo inoki tutu chache north mheshimiwa Jafet. So I'll announce what he gave me to announce. Esenge injoya maskani. Alitubuata amange. Na father kuna kuanire. Otoko irechita ika kiandaiga. So nata kamunga laonda angelio mwaka James Ongwae, our former governor. I'm sure I'm committing inki muhimu bagao karana Ongwae na anepanya bagao tito rana. Father tasa bagao kora. Bas. Mwenye kumboja maswali. Na ane naona weke kusike kote abantu mamo. Kabere bantu mamo. Bantu mamo nyama ya kolireki. Thank you. Your Excellency Governor. Nyarangi, just come I consult you and then we can proceed very quickly. Iwongo sugora ono igombuate fana kerangwangi time limit. Gombuata mangana berengo kwana. First interagenderera. I know and I want to give my sincere apology. Refer that ira 10 minutes you can destabilize all the county employees tenena esemole. The county employees wacha kusindikisa moja. Mwarole balibaralia. Barina county employees. Nane mo basakora una bara nje abange madenga na bagitutu boka. Abandi bara kuruma choge bubasi na roro munjali yomo. Diamono sana. Thank you for coming. I would have given you an opportunity to speak, but you understand, Father said we don't have the time. Pinto vivere. Gesa chikura chiera. Na nyango changanje ko bahakera mbiamono. Ikiagera muangete chikura. So it's been limiting yetano kunyakora utoka. Goja ntale kire ward ya Bogetutu, Bonjali, Bobasi, Omachoge na South Mugirango. Lakini nale kote bambia mono. Eso kongali baga na ande mugansika mukangali baga mbakorere gasi. Ese bari mumanye mutamanyeti egasi yane ese gusi bono ninje nyapara yekibeza cyeno ci billion ciwo cya gusi kire 14. Kasi ane no goeta check make sure unaone binte bikwaiwa governor kwana taliye nyagitaliye yoka na abegete nyamarambe ukaweka gesusu ukaweka there's another one Masimba I think Kenyanya nyagitali nchiro egasi ane ngoetande nyagitaliye chi ebinte bikwa boli governor. Nande na bokwa machikongo sa kwa machigo sounding inche ngorwani aba getutu na nimaite kwa ba polite ngwata ke batebanga Simba. So tigante bisimba ga kiagaranga inde bogetutunde. Father, I'll say this after listening to your speech. I am not going to complain about Simba as a governor. You gave us the mandate. Now what a mandate, what you want is for us to work. So I'm going to ask him, we work. He's a very difficult man, but he's a young man. I will talk to him again. If he refuses, then I'll come and tell you, Father, he has refused. Ninja komoretere usirumunyare. Na wrong wasaba. Uya mangane Biblia. Let us not be vindictive. Let us not say we cannot talk with each other. Father, I promise you, I will sit na abanta babaito once P County I will tell them abana inchi sky gendo bateniki gasi ekono. Governor James Ongwae, I will tell you the truth. It is true there has been a deliberate, systematic program. Yo watema ko raise issues yo abantu gete barabange county abande bali getu nongwaya abande ki. I want to make an announcement here. I am in the county government system. I am the senator. Mondo tayo wajikoteba. Ngabantu barachi gosuwaka bakubutwa. Wikakare tuwe seneti ngetio. Nije ngogetia. Amangana pending bills agusi. I am going to persuade Simba. Onyoko wateba ngabantu bagwene to waka nu 260. Ono lindo takora haka na 260 lagi. Ababande ba utigara wale ose 400. Tumanya wanza koligere number 2. Again dona tebi fado mwano yo minto Simba. It's very simple. The government nja tebete ni ngogwene to haka nu. A government is who? Auditor General, ESCC, DCI, and the county assembly must pass waiting on wakaraki. Ongwa itagi hero lo waka na pending bills. So even the way wait aga usiki say wrong. Oh, you know, my position is I tell my governor, abuwa tevanga 260. Mbabu ati any issues with you. Karaba kana bono. Kokora na bo tumanya wanza kukwana. Ekiagara na bo tali wakana. Nande ngo letter wale ebintu byabe senate. Nande ngo korangeli tole oche senate. Oche watotebi buna matawene tuko baraki. One Rwanda standing devolution iponya uchande kole. Monto taye county government yo mugabana akobuta. Omonte county government iga akobutune public service board. A public service board yako ewa makoso. Rights yo monto somerwa. Ichi koliabu atiwa. Omonto manya kobutua. So monto taye wabaragi. Pakeza bweto bareki to yake father bono na kolije ingane eri muri okanta geto gote vie president yane por William Ruto.